My name is Rahmania. My student number is 04112682428004.
Hello, I'm Cutis Malhyati. Study number is 08061182227016. Let's start our discussion about direct photography in astronomy.
Sure. So, astronomers have long used direct photography to collect information from telescopes, right?
Yes, and they use specialized sensitive glass plates. The size of the plates dependent on the type of telescope used.
That's true. Wide-field telescopes usually require very large glass plates
And these plates were very accurate and could preserve information for a long time.
that allow astronomers to study the data even long after the photos were taken.
But even with long exposure times, only a small amount of light from faint objects could be recorded.
Yes, even the most sensitive plates could only convert a small percentage of photo into image.
That's why direct photography wasn't very efficient, especially with short exposure,
Right. But it was still useful because it acted as a two-dimensional detector of a large area.
especially with wide field telescope. The information in just one photography could be massive.
And those photographs provided valuable records that astronomers could analyze later.
However, over time, new technologies like radio and X-ray telescope were developed.
These technologies allowed astronomers to see things that were invisible to the naked eye.
Yes, and today, direct photography is used less often to gather images.
That's because modern telescopes can show data on screens and even store them digitally.
The data from telescope can now be converted by computer into digital form.
That process is called image processing, and it plays a hard role in astronomy today.
With image processing, astronomers can analyze objects using false color.
False colors help represent things we can't see normally, like X-ray emissions from stars.
They aren't the real colors, but they highlight important details in the data.
It's very amazing how much information we can now get from image. And even though direct photography is old-fashioned, its contribution were significant. Yes, it helped lay the foundation for how we observe space today. Modern astronomy combines the precision of photography with the power of technology. True, the evolution from glass plates to digital sensors show how science keeps improving. And thanks to that, we can study the universe in ways people in the past could only dream of. So, even though the method has changed, the goal remains the same, to explore the universe. I agree, and every improvement in imaging technology brings us colors to understanding space. Hopefully, in the future we'll be able to see even further into the universe than we can today. Yes, and who knows, maybe one of us will contribute to the next big discovery. Okay, thank